Hello and welcome to a special video on how to use the Camtasia jump URL function. So quite simply, when people are at the end of your video, you can actually take them to a specific URL. Okay, and the way to do this is quite simple. The first thing that you need to do is, as you can see, this is an example of a video, and what you need to do is head over to where it says produce video as. Once you've done that, head over to recommend my production settings as shown, click next again, click next again, click next again. Okay, let me just click next again, folder, click next again, and then once you've done that, there's an option called modify settings. Click modify settings, and as you can see, you've got an option with a box which says flash templates. Now what you need to do is click on the link that says flash templates. So I'm going to click on flash templates. Next, what you need to do is head over to where it says controls, and there's an option called jump to URL on here, and you simply enter your URL name, your website URL that you want the person to be redirected to, and then once you've done that, you simply click apply and then click OK. Thank you very much for watching this video.